See, I think we're level right here.
That's probably good, Cal. Just enough to show the